Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is very interesting and important. Today I will tell you some super common mistakes that you have to avoid. Okay? Let's start. He can't read and write. This is wrong. He can't read or write. This is the right way. Okay? Or write, not and. Next one is I forgot my phone at home. This is wrong. I left my phone at home. It is better to say I left my phone at home. Okay, gee. Next one is he goes better every day. This is wrong. So, what is the right way? He gets better every day, not goes better. He gets better every day. All right. So next one is I get my salary twice a month. No. I get my salary twice a month. No. I get paid twice a month. Yes, I get paid twice a month. All right. This is the way how I made the cake. This is the way how I made the cake. No, this is wrong. The right way is this is how I made the cake. This is how I made the cake. This is the right sentence. Okay, I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will avoid these common mistakes in English. Thank you.